friends, as promised, I am here today to share with you a mini haul of all the pieces that I got at the thrift store. If you saw my thrift store shop with me video, these might look familiar, but I figured it would still be fun to show you the totality of everything that I got, and we'll just chat about them for a little bit. If you like this video, you guys, please like, subscribe, comment. I always appreciate it, and it's really helpful, and kind of gives me a bit more confidence in terms of doing YouTube videos. So let's get started, friends. The first piece, this anthropology mug. I was so surprised to find this. I don't often find things like this, and the crazy thing is, well, K's for my daughter Kayla, but I already have a few of these and I didn't have one for her, so this was perfect. And I mean, it's in perfect condition, no scratches, no chip pieces. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for them, guys, but it's anthropology, so we know it wasn't 99 cents. This was really a wonderful find. Here's another find. You might be giving me the side-eye for this one, like, what is this? It's actually a soup tureen. You can see this is where the ladle, I don't know, you guys, potato. Either way, that's where it would go, right here. If you can't tell what it's supposed to be, it's a cabbage. Not seen them too often in yellow. You often find them in green. For $2.99, you guys, was a great find. It's a little gross on the inside, but can you imagine it on a tablescape holding beautiful flowers? You could display it on a shelf to range between somewhere between $30 and $50. So for $3, not bad at all. I can't wait to use this. So I was already on my way out the store, you guys, when I saw this in a case with the other, I guess, high price or unique items that they have at the thrift store, and I was so intrigued. I have never seen a nativity, scene like this before. And this is not accurate, so to speak, but it was because there's no lady. They don't have a lady figurine in this set, and I just had to buy it. I mean, I even broke my own rule. I usually do not buy anything that's broken. So you can see this guy, like his hand is broken or whatever. I don't know if you can see the detail, like even the material, like this is shiny and smooth. This is matte and a little bit rough. I love the face. This had to have been hand painted. There is no way a machine can do this. And the guy who was checking me out was a black gentleman, and he was older, and he said that his sister has one almost identical to this one, and that she had it for a really long time. I scoured the internet. I didn't find anything resembling these. I have to say, this is probably my second favorite thing that I found on this trip. This was a really good trip, you guys, and to a brand new thrift store that I've never been to, and I did that on purpose. I want to sort of go in blind with you guys, and I just happened to hit the jackpot on a lot of things, and I felt really lucky. Perhaps my favorite thing that I found is this ginger jar lamp, and I love it. I love the classic shape. I love this sort of whimsical, pretty butterflies painted on here. The gold detailing. I mean, a little dust, but nothing that can be wiped off. I'm telling you, in an inexpensive shade, this will be perfect. Sticking with the ginger jar, you guys, sometimes, I promise you, I can't talk. English is not my first language. I'm from Haiti, although I came to this country when I was really young, about my daughter's age, actually, around 8. So I've been here for, I'm going to be 39 next month. So quite a long time, but my tongue still does this thing. But anyway, you guys, so I love this ginger jar, and again, if you watch my shop with me thrift store video, you would have seen when I found this one. And at first I was like, I don't know, but then I realized, because I usually don't like them this ornate, I usually like the blue and white or the solid white ones. And I just thought, you know what, this is kind of pretty. $5. I mean, that's an amazing price for this. So I don't know where I'll be using this yet, but it is definitely going to be added to my collection. But you guys, did this look familiar to you? If you saw my part 1 of my fall home tour, or even the faux pumpkin vase video, DIY video that I shared with you guys, this is the same little holder. Matter of fact, just like magic, I have it right here. This is the one that I already have, and I bought this actually from an antique store with this little crystal ball that lets me tell the future. It's telling me that you're gonna thumbs up this video and follow me. It's the same one. I was so surprised to find that. How random. I bought this in Tennessee last year, I think around Christmas, because it was right before we moved, and I love this little crystal ball thing so much that I bought it in the little holder. But aside from holding crystal balls, these kind of little risers are great for when you're doing vignettes, like little displays on your coffee table, sideboard. You know, they give height. Or what if I was using this and I wanted a little height? See how good that looks? Because you don't want your groupings, you know, your little stylings to be all one height, because then that's kind of boring. And the last thing, you guys, the brass planter. There was no way I was leaving this $5, $4.99 brass planter at the thrift store, you guys. I mean, come on. You know, flowers, don't even let stuff like that put you off. Pull all that out, throw it in the bag, and I have a beautiful planter. Even if I wanted to use it for flowers, obviously this can't hold water, but I can put, it's big enough that I could put maybe 2 vases side by side, like those little square ones from the dollar store would be perfect in here. And then that way, you know, I put my flowers, they will look gorgeous in here. The only thing is it probably will take quite a few flowers, so it would have to be something cheap. Something that has a lot of volume would probably look great in here. So we'll see. I haven't decided yet, but I know for sure I'll be using this somewhere in here, especially for my Christmas decorations. So I'm really excited to use this one. That was all my thrift store finds. What do you guys think? Are you like, why did you buy that yellow cabbage thing? Anyway, I'm really happy with all of my finds. This was a very successful trip. Not all of them go this well. Sometimes I go to the thrift store and I really don't find anything. So that's why with thrift store, you can't just be like, oh, I went one time and I didn't find anything. They're always getting things in. So you kind of have to, you know, sort of make it a habit of just popping in, looking around. Really don't lose heart. If you go and you don't find these type of things, try going to other ones. Different neighborhoods will have you know, different things. I mean, clearly you can find hidden gems anywhere. But all right, you guys, that is all I have for you. Please thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and you'll know when I've posted. I'm really trying to do better here more. I've been posting a whole lot more on Instagram. I am back, baby, on Instagram. So follow me for tons of Instagram stories. I post every day, and all that information will be in the bottom box below. All right, friends. Bye.